This is Challengers Farm and I'm Michael Sierra. We're doing mite treatment today on this hive. We're also checking the overall wellness of the hives, checking for aggressive queens or defensive queens. And we plan on requeening those particular queens. So we're going to open up this hive right here. We have honey supers as we're adding if they're needed. Just pry in the top, loosen it up. Try not to make too much commotion. These normally don't like it when you rip the hood off or pop it off. Look pretty good in here. And I can already tell these bees are defensive more than I would normally like for what we're doing here. We always go to the second frame